Are you confused about AI and all the tools that are out there? Well, it can get overwhelming. You get on social media, you start searching for something, and all of a sudden you're flooded with all this information. And I was too in the very beginning until I found my AI chief of staff. And so my name is Rick Billings. I've been online for 25 plus years. Been building businesses, been coaching, been doing network marketing, been doing direct sales, online marketing. I'm a photographer by trade, so I have an extensive photography and graphics background. But I want to talk to you about a tool that I found that to me is a holy grail, okay? And I don't say that lightly. And what I want to do is I want to create a series of videos. My goal is about 30 days of videos. And but I'm going to want to create a series of videos explaining this tool and the tool set and the software and everything that's behind it to help you understand and help you make a good decision if it's right for you in your business or personal use or whatnot. This is one platform that you can really do just about anything with AI. And what's important to me is that, when you're in a lot of these AI models and you're chatting in there, you don't know, is it sharing this information that you're putting in there with the internet and other people? Well, that was a little of an uneasy thought for me. And so when I found this AI chief of staff, is what I call it, is it's got its own brain. And you're going to say, what does that mean? Well, what that means is as you input information, although it has a lot, and the founders of it have decades of information, and they built a billion-dollar company from scratch, two guys, and I think are responsible for 15 billion in sales from the people that have used their platforms. This system has a brain, and what that means is the things that you input into it, personally, business ideas, everything you're doing, stay within that brain, proprietary to you. So they don't leave it, right? Nobody else can get into that brain. And yes, you could share certain things with a team, but you're in control of doing that because you can add team members into this platform. But I use it solo myself, and so everything that I put into this system, my AI chief of staff, it knows about me and my background, my bio, the things that I'm asking it. It remembers everything, and it doesn't share it with nobody. Nobody. But yet it takes the information, and you'll understand on some of the welcome videos and training videos that are inside the platform, how the founder, Russell Brunson, and his partner, Todd Dickerson, but Russell talks about, I forgot what he says, and we'll get to it along in this series, I'm sure, but it's like, something to do with, everything that you go surfing out there is like poop. You're just getting that back. And so he makes a funny analogy of it. But think about it. You don't want people to know certain things that you might do about your business, about marketing, about finance, whatever it is. That needs to stay proprietary to you. And this system will let you do that. So as you see here, it's called Marketing Secrets, and I call it my AI Chief of Staff, and I've branded it my AI Chief of Staff. And so you can see within this video somewhere, or, in the description, there'll be a link to learn more about it. And if you want to, get the system, to be 100% transparent, it is, has a referral program built into it that you make 30% of the referral, and rightfully so. Everything's like that anymore. The economy is turning to the oldest way of marketing. The oldest way of marketing is word of mouth. When somebody's happy with something, they share it with somebody else. And that's exactly what they're doing here. It's how they built their billion-dollar company. It's how Amazon markets their company. Besides a lot of branding they have with the vehicles and different things like that, they let people refer their products and they pay them a commission. Somebody's happy with something, they share it, somebody else uses it, they refer them a commission. So I want to be transparent and just tell you that. So I do have an affiliate link. You'll see it here. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer any questions along the way. I'm an open book. I love helping people. I truly love helping people. Now, I want to be compensated if it takes a lot of my time, right? And I do some coaching and mentoring with people to help them get a fast start. Would you rather like to figure it all out yourself, or would you like to get a fast start with somebody that you could hit the ground running? And this system is like on, talking about something being on steroids. This is like 100x steroids. This is crazy what they put together here. This is not just a regular AI tool, okay? Just to kind of show you, it has over 35 AIs that are optimized. So as you see the screen here and you click on this in the main window here, there's a button called Optimize, and you'll see that it has a whole series of AI models built into it. ChatGPT, Claude, several versions of Claude, Perplexity, and versions of that. Tools in here to create images. And what it does, like I said, I already said ChatGPT, I think, and Gemini, DeepSeek. They're all in here, and they're always staying on the cutting edge of adding more into the system. And this tool, depending on what you're asking, it will optimize. It will optimize the AI model that you need. Okay? Now, it is a credit-based system, so when you have a membership, you get so many credits. They're shown in the corner. It says I have 1,824 credits left. So when you utilize this tool, it might use 5 credits here, 10 credits here, 50 credits here, depending on how complex you're asking it. But it's not just an AI tool that you go in and ask it, something like you do in ChatGPT. It's to help you build your business. It's called Marketing Secrets, okay? I call it my AI Chief of Staff. And you'll hear me refer to that all the time, and I say that several times so you understand it. Anytime I refer to my AI Chief of Staff, I'm talking about marketing secrets. So as we go through here, and I'm not going to do an extensive, overview of every single tool because they're all in here already. They're all that's in here. They call them sprints. Now, when I go to the dashboard here, it opens up to me and it goes to a new chat on the left over here and says, what can I help you build today? Again, you're marketing, you're building your business, you're building your personal brand, you're building a coaching platform, you're selling something, okay? Now, yes, you can ask it personal things and it has a personal brain to it. That's all, again, proprietary, but you want to take and it has a new chat here. But when you click on the dashboard on the left-hand side, top up here, it goes to a welcome video, and you're going to see Russell Brunson here. Now, Russell is one, in my opinion, probably the most successful online marketer, in the world. Of course, in the top, 10, for sure. And he's right up there. Him and Todd Dickerson that have built ClickFunnels, and now Marketing Secrets, and you'll learn about Overskill. These platforms are unbelievable. And yes, you can get Overskill inside of Marketing Secrets right here. Russell's doing a welcome walkthrough video. They do a lot of extensive training in here. He understands that you have to have that to be successful. They have some unlocked credits, which I've gone through several of them. It shows I've done 14 to 22 already. They give you extra credits for doing things. You get for referring a friend. Besides the commission that you make, they give you points that collect in your back office here. I haven't imported my Chat GPT in here because I don't want that memory in here. When you're doing morning briefs and different things, watching videos, every time you log in every day, they give you 50 points. So just by consistently logging in every 24 hours, you're going to get 50 points, okay? They have an open back office that happens every Wednesday and Friday at 11 o'clock Eastern, so that you can get your questions answered live in there. And then you have your recent feeds here of things you've worked on and stuff like that. Okay, and they also appear on the left-hand side over here inside of project folders and in the chat right here that when you did a chat. It keeps a log of them here, and they get added to these folders here so you can then recall those very quickly. So there's a welcome video you see here. Then there's a walkthrough video right here. Some of them are done by... I forgot this gal's name because I'm just, I've been on several of her talks, but I just don't remember her name right off the bat. But anyway, you'll see them here. But there's a walkthrough that she does right there, and then she does the open office hours, you'll see. And so anyway, this is on the dashboard that comes up. And yes, you can hide this dashboard over here and just see your office hours and your last projects here, your recent projects or recent software that you're working on. Okay? Now the sprints over here, just real quickly, you're going to see that there's some important things to go through. There's an AI Secrets Challenge replay. Now, this is what I was on months ago, and when you click on here, you're going to go through all the different replays, and it's about, let me see, each one of them is about 2.5 hours. There's a VIP session, which I'm not sure if you'll get that, but we'll see here. There's a VIP session that's an hour before every session, and every day's general session was about an hour and 15 minutes to sometimes 2 hours long. 2.5 hours, okay? 3 hours and 45 minutes on day 2. 4 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours. These are very extensive. I'm talking about taking your business and 100x your business, not 10x. 100x your business. And if you spend the time, and you talk about, my wife a lot of times will binge watch a series on Netflix. Binge watch a series inside of Marketing Secrets to build your business, right? And you can do that here. And it's amazing. This information, when you go into a general session lesson right here, and you can mark it complete, and down below there'll be information that sometimes you can download, show the transcript is right here, and you can see and jump to different sections in the video. This thing is amazing what they've done with this entire platform. So I'll go back here, and then there's a quick start sprints, and this allows, again, like I told you, to get a very quick start in your business. And you can, and I go back and watch some of these to get refreshers, right? And then it talks about how you need to start to create how the memory's managed and how that works, and a video on that. There's 3 videos right there explaining everything and all the information below, and how it's using Claude and ChatGPT and Cursor and APIs and how to connect those. And it starts keeping all your brain down here of things you're talking about and remembering. For an example, let's say that you say, I've been in business for, 42 years myself, since October of 85, owning my own business, photography business. And let's say it did a bio and it said you've been in business for 32 years, and it really has been about 42 years. You can go in there and say, okay, I've been in business 42 years, October of 1985. Remember this. And it goes and it corrects that past error that it maybe had. Where it said 32, it corrects it and says, okay, we will now say this. And it confirms that with you and tells you that. Okay? And so you then start to know your brain. I click back. Let me go back on sprints over here. It's got an active character, and you can build several active characters. And these active characters, I created one myself, and then I started to create an assistant right here. This is a bot, actually, that you could add on your website. You can create an interactive bot for your business that you can just send a link to and it can start chatting with people. The possibilities are endless with this system. They are totally endless. It's between your ears what you can build with this system. Okay? And so that's the active character. Russell goes through there. He's very proactive on, people need to have, I keep jumping back to this one right here, which is fine. And, but it's easy to navigate, right? You can create an avatar of who you're talking to, who your ideal customer is. So when you go to do something, you can have different customer avatars. You can speak to them from different active characters. This thing is crazy. So those you could speak to them from a CEO level. You could speak to them from a vice president level. You could speak to them from a customer service level. You could speak to another CEO. You could speak to a consumer. You could speak to somebody that just purchased one of your products, and you're able to choose and pick these active characters and consumer avatars as you're building something within your AI chief of staff. This is so cool. The variables are endless. And then it goes on to the software down here, which we'll get into on later videos within the series. One-to-many presentations, one-to-many emails, one-to-many social, one-to-many ads for advertising online, your framework, okay, that you can create and within the business. You got the Dream 100, which is connecting with all kinds of influencers all over the world. You got a Rev Scan, which allows you to take and analyze your funnel, other people's funnel, other people's websites, sales pages, social media, and actually put a proposal together to do business for them, to acquire them as a client, to say, I can help you grow your business with my AI chief of staff, okay? And you create a separate project for them, put that information in there. Ultimately, it would be best for you to take and have them get the system through you, and then you go in and be a team member that logs in and does this work for them. So then they create their own chief of staff. Because the best thing you could do, in my opinion, in this world today is teach a person how to fish. Don't just give them fish in the beginning, which you can do, yes. Teach them how to fish. Teach them how to build their business. They will be a customer for life with Marketing Secrets. You will earn MRR. MRR, an acronym that Russell Brunson coined called Monthly Recurring Revenue for Marketing Secrets. Yes, you'll earn 30% from their account, what they pay for Marketing Secrets, when they're using the system. So you teach them how to fish, you go in there, you jump start them. It might take 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. They might want you to always help them do that. And as they utilize this system and build their AI brain out, they will understand they can't do without it. They can't do without it. Because once you get it trained and you just say, I want to do this in a simple line, it just does it. Because it knows what you've done in the past, right? It's crazy. They have Promoter that's coming up here. It's grayed out right now, where you can, the system will actually post on social media for you. And then they got a funnel scan where you can scan funnels to see and audit them funnels to see if there's any places you can improve them, that you're losing money at, and so on. So I'm going to stop this video today because I'm going to do a series of these. This is the first one. So look out for the next video where I go a little bit deeper in a couple of these areas right here to get you up to speed. And then I'm going to show you some things that I've done and things the system does, within this back office. So go ahead. If you want to get a jump start, go to AIMarketingSecrets.net or go to my Rick Billings website, rickbillings.com, and you'll see links on there to be able to sign up and when you do, I'll help you in the beginning. I'll coach you. I'll help you get a jump start in this. We can jump on a Zoom and do a Zoom together because I love helping people. So thank you.